Hi, Busker 909 here. I'm tuned to E today, E-B-E. Because that's the key, I'm a King Bee by Muddy Waters is in. Very interesting tune, a little bit different. It is a blues. It does have a 1-4-5, E, 1, 4 on the 5th fret, A, B on the 7th fret, 5. If you count it from when the vocals start, it's a 15-bar blues. But it doesn't divide it up the way most of them do. It's very unique. So I'll play a demo for you, and then I'll explain it to you. That's where it's turned around to sort of start again. The vocals start on the 4 chord, on the 5th fret. So I'll show you the lick. On the record I have, there's a count in. And I should mention it's a shuffle. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, as opposed to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So that slide is from 2 to 5. And that's on a 4. So it's actually at the end of a lick, even though they use it to start the song. The basic lick is 2 E's, and then 5, 5 on the middle and high, 3, 3, middle and high, and then open, open, and then it does a slide. So, at the beginning of the song, you do the slide, and then you do the lick with the slide twice. And then on the next time, you fit this lick in. 0, 3, 0. Like that. That's replacing the... Then you go up to the 5th fret for the 4 chord and do a basic boogie. For 2 measures. And then back to the riff, no slide. 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 No slide. Yeah, we went back to the 4 chord on the 5th fret again and did it for 2 measures. Back to the 1 chord. Slide. Slide. Riff again. Up to the 5 chord on the 7th fret. 4 chord on the 5th fret. Back to the 1 chord riff. Slide. Slide. And then the lick. And it turns around. And the vocals have started again, and that's sort of the beginning again. So the song vocally starts on the 4 chord on the 5th fret. I think that's one of the most interesting blues I've ever come across. I hope you have a lot of fun with that. Have a great day. Bye.